This is one of the easiest and quickest ways to make money online with this brand new website that we never used before. All you have to do is copy and paste absolutely free text. No affiliate links, no CPA links, and no selling any kind of products. This website is paying people all over the world: India, Philippines, Bangladesh, Canada, USA, UK, and all other countries. Before we dive into the video, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know how to make money online the easiest way. Smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let's get right into the video. Now, this website is called clearvoice.com, and I will explain to you exactly how and exactly what you will need to do with the website in order to make some decent amount of money. Now, ClearVoice is a platform where entrepreneurs and business owners come to get written articles done for them. So they will pay everyday freelancers like me and you to write different articles for them. And I'm gonna show you how you can get those articles done for absolutely free. Not from those PLR websites or whatsoever, because that doesn't necessarily work anymore. But I'm gonna show you a unique strategy to getting new and fresh articles every single time. So you can get paid hundreds of dollars because each article that you copy and paste from the resources which I'm about to give you, you can get paid hundreds of dollars. So you can do it again and again for basically unlimited times. Over 270,000 people visiting this website on a regular monthly basis. And you just need a couple of sales to get hundreds, if not thousands of dollars every single day. It's a really powerful strategy. So pay close attention to each and every step so you can learn exactly how to do this. So the first thing you will need to do is to come over to clearvoice.com and hover your mouse right here where it says Talent Network, and you will be able to see that people are writing articles within all of these categories. You have advertising, marketing, finance, healthcare, software, retailer, and much more. You have all the different categories and all the different niches which you can think of on this website. But what you will first need to do is you will need to click on Join the Talent Network right here so you can get started. And you can get started by entering your full name and these two boxes. So enter your first name and your last name and click Get Started. Now you can either sign up with your Twitter account, Google account, or manually with your email. Once you sign up to our brand new absolutely free account in clearvoice.com, this is how it's gonna look like. This is your account here. You'll be able to see your name, and this is your profile picture. You can, of course, change your profile picture and put your own. You can add a background image. You can add more of your social media accounts. The more of them you add, the higher chances of getting hired you will have, and the more money you will be able to make. Now, first of all, I want to show you a few different things. You can first of all set your own rate. You decide how much do you want to get paid. So whether you want to get paid $100 per article, $200 or $300 per article. You can set your own rates and you will get paid quickly, which means you will not have to wait for weeks or months to get paid. ClearVoice freelancers are paid via PayPal upon assignment approval. Work with the confidence you'll get paid on time, so they won't be late with their payments or whatsoever. They're really reliable. And if we scroll a little bit down, you'll be able to see other people that are doing the same thing. So let me just show you this as an example. I will open up this person's CV so you can see what they're doing and how they're making money. So if I open up their profile, you'll be able to see all of these different articles that she wrote. And she made hundreds of dollars for every single one of those articles. You have anything from fashion, beauty, parenting, home, and holidays. All of those categories on just her profile. All of these simple articles are making money every single day. And I'm gonna show you exactly how you can do the same thing. So this is just a proof that other people are also making money with this website. People from all over the world. So I want you to go back to your account, set it up, and start making money. Here in this right hand side, you'll be able to see that currently my account has 15% completed. I need to complete it to 100% so I can actually start making money. I would need to improve my CV. So I would need to click add content right here in the right corner at the bottom so I can start adding articles. But how do I actually get those articles done? How can you actually get those articles done for absolutely free with no previous writing skills or whatsoever? Well, here's exactly how. Just follow each and every step. First of all, what you will need to do is to head over to google.com. That's the step number one of getting those articles done for absolutely free. Now, I want you to think of what article you want to write, what category you want to be in. So that can be anything from health, relationships, business, and finance, weight loss, fitness, fishing, gaming, whatever niche and whatever category you can find in clear voice. So let's say, for example, I'm going to be writing an article about finance. What I can simply search on Google is different keywords related to that specific topic. So, for example, finance tips. And then Google is going to give you all of these different recommendations which you can search for. You can add example search for finance tips for small business owners. Let's search for that keyword. Now that's gonna give me thousands of different articles that are available on Google. So you can go through all of these different articles. You can find which one you think is the best, and you'll always have new and fresh articles you find in Google. Because as you can see, these are all of the latest articles from this year alone, and it's always going to refresh like almost every single day. You will have the new articles on all of these different topics and all of these different niches and categories. But no, you will not be able to just copy and straight paste this article from Google because you would obviously get a copyright claim and that can be a huge issue. But rather than that, once again, just find an article that you think is a really good one, which you think is a good fit. So let's say, for example, I'm going to use the first one. So you can obviously go even to the second or to the third page of Google and find an article you like. So once you find one, I want you to copy at least part 1, part 2, part 3, and so on and so forth. Let me first copy the first part and use an external platform called spinbot.com. If you're learning a lot on this video, smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. So Spinbot is an absolute free online tool which is going to rewrite those articles in your own words, and it's going to do it for you for free of charge. There's no need to even sign up to it. You can just go over to spinbot.com, paste the article in this box, and now I can scroll down a little bit, fill out the captcha, click, go right here, wait for a couple of seconds, and now the Spinbot tool will rewrite that for me in my own words so I can use that article on other websites. It becomes my own unique article. And now that you have it written for you, you will need to proceed to step number 3. So step number 3 is to just open Google Docs. So go over to docs.google.com. Create a new document. It has to be blank. Then go back to Spinbot, copy that part of that is written and paste it into Google Docs and proceed to change more parts of the specific article which you find in Google. So now it's going to be tip number 1. I can copy this, go back to Spinbot, and pretty much repeat the same process until we have the entire article rewritten for you. Click once again and wait for a couple of seconds. Scroll a little bit down and use the rewritten text and paste it into Google Docs. And once you're done, once you have an entire article rewritten by Speedbot and pasted it into Google Docs, step number 4 is to click on File right here. Go to Download and download it as PDF document. You can now download this to your computer. It's an entire rewritten article which you can use because it's unique. Then just go back to clearvoice.com, open up your profile, and click on Add Content right here. So you can add your PDF file. Click on Upload File, find that article into your computer, wait until it loads, and here it is. Here is an entire article completely unique because it was rewritten by Speedbot. Now, you will select what category your article belongs to. Since my article is all about finance, I can search for that. I can search for finance or business or accounting or so on and so forth. I will select business finance and personal finance. Then fill out these other boxes. I'll type in copy, edit, work content type. You can write a brief description of it and just hit update. The more of these articles you add, the more money you'll be able to make it. Of course, make sure to name your article. Don't leave it as entitled document because obviously that's not how it works. You will need to give it an exact title. So the more of them you add, the more you will fill out your profit. And with more articles, more money you'll be able to make. That way, all the other entrepreneurs and business owners that come first in search for those articles, they can see your CV and they can hire you and pay you hundreds of dollars for new articles. And all you have to do is once again repeat the process from this video. Go over to Google, do your research, find those articles, copy and paste them into Spinbot, get them rewritten, paste them into Google Docs, and download them as PDF file. It's simple as that. It's really simple, it's really easy, and it can definitely make you some decent amount of side income. I hope you did get some value out of this video. And if you did it, don't forget to drop a like to it, leave a thumbs up, and if you haven't already yet, be sure to subscribe to this channel with notifications on so you'll not be missing out any of the new contents. As always, thanks for watching and I'll see you in some of the next videos.